Alright guys, today's video we're going to go over a few equations. I'm going to write them down. Each one is going to stair step into the next one, and this should be a pretty good review for us for tomorrow. The first one we're going to do is -3 plus x equals 8. So I want you to write this down, try it, and then check your answer. Pause the video until you have it worked out. Okay, so remember to solve these, what you're going to have to do is move all of our numbers on one side, all of our letters on the other. I already have all of my letters right here, I just have one x, so I've got to move my numbers to this other side. To move anything from one side to the other, you use the opposite operation of what's given. So since this says negative, the opposite of a negative is a positive, because you want it to cancel out and go to 0. -3 plus 3 is 0. And then whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side of the equals. 8 plus 3 is 11. So I have my x equals 11. Whenever you get your final answer, make sure you go back and plug this in. So let's make sure this makes sense. Does -3 plus 11 equal 8? And it does. Alright, now I want you to try the second one. Just like on the first one, I want you to write it down, work it out, and then pause the video until you're done. So here it is. 3x minus 5 equals 22. Work this out, pause the video right now, and then wait, push play when you're ready to see the answer. Okay, so what we have to do first, go through our steps. I don't have any parentheses, I won't distribute. I don't have any combined like terms because these are different. This is an x and that's a number, so I can't combine those. This side they're already all together. So step 3, I'm going to move my numbers to one side. So when I say numbers, I mean anything that does not have an x. So we're going to ignore this for a minute. The opposite of -5 is plus 5. -5 plus 5 is 0. Add 5 to this side or they won't stay equal. So 22 plus 5 should give us 27. Now bring down this side. I've got 3x still. Now this is 3 times x equals 27. So last step, to cancel out this multiply by 3, we're going to divide by 3. That will cancel. Just leave me with x. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Every time you get your answer, go back and plug it in. Make sure it makes sense. So 3 times 9 minus 5 should equal 22. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 minus 5 does equal 22. Okay, let's make them a little bit harder. What if we had variables on both sides? So this next one, number 3, it's going to look like this. 2x plus 4 equals -3x plus 24. Okay, write it down, work it out. After you write it down, push pause, and then push play when you're ready to see the answer. Alright, we're going to start to work it out. Now going through our steps. Once again, no parentheses, can't distribute yet. Combine like terms. Look left, nope, I can't combine those. Look right, nope, I can't combine those either. So step 3, we're going to move our numbers to one side. I usually prefer to move my numbers to the right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this regular 4, I'm going to move it over here by canceling it out. The opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. Whatever I do over here, I've got to do over here. So I still have 2x equals -3x, and then 24 minus 4 is 20, so it's positive 20. Now, I have all my regular numbers over here. I got to move my variables to the other side. So the opposite of minus 3x is plus 3x. Those cancel. 2 plus 3 is 5x. So I have 5x is equal to 20. Last step. 5 times x equals 20, so let's divide by 5, and I get my x is equal to 4. Last thing, go back and plug this in. So 2 times 4 plus 4 should equal negative 3 times 4 plus 24. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. And now, negative 3 times 4 is negative 12 plus 24, and that is also 12. So this one does check out. All right, I'm going to save the next two for the next video so I can keep it around 5 minutes. I hope this is good practice. The next two will have inequalities.